This is a prelim to Friday night. It's actually Wednesday, and I just got to show you the artist of the week if you can see it through the snow. Yep. There you go. Mark's making some dinner. I just wanted to show you that. Lots and lots of snow. Again. But hopefully this will be the last. Hello, Luna. Oh, look, big girl dancing. Can you dance, Foxy? Say hello. Say I got some snacker for you. Can you get him a snack? And Jace wants to say hi to Luna. So Luna says hello back.
One at a time. One at a time. Yeah. Oh, two. Can I get two dancing? Come on. There you go. Come on. Here. Come on. Here. There you go.
Good girls. Yes. So Jace is Chocoholic's grandson.
Sit. Sit.
He has a couple of his fur babies at home, but he really likes Luna.
Sit.
So.
Sit. Sit.
All right, we'll give
Good
puppy
dog.
snackers.
Sit. 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 Good. Sit. Good dog.
Yeah, good girls. Has in for wax. And this is up on my shelves. And a very disgruntled mother in the other big cubes. I thought about getting that. And then the double. Up there some. And then these. Get one of the rock candy, the last one. Oh, and the $2. And then over here, I want to show you this. We have that. And then up on the shelf, I saw that from Katie Love. And there. And last but not least, they have bins. Thought about it. Where's the other one? Strawberries and cream. That wasn't too bad. But I did not like iced lemon sugar cookies. I didn't smell that one. Nutty butter cookie bars. So I don't know if this is old stuff or new stuff. But that's what my Walmart's got. Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here. Happy Friday in my pajamas. So before this, there's a little clip of the snow. Good news is weather's been a little bit better, so the snow's been melting a little bit more. But I come to you with a question, an opinion. So I'm going to insert some photos here and there, but I'm looking at the Ikea Kallax unit, Kallax, and it comes basically like this. The cubbies are 13 inches, and it's a 13 by 13. The one has 8 cubbies, and then the other one has 25. And I'm kind of leaning towards the 25. Now the 25 cubby has like 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 rows of 5, and it stands. What is it? 6 foot tall by 6 foot wide, and this wall is not quite, it would come out, but if I put the drawers and everything in it, when you walked in from the foyer, it would look like it's kind of finished behind it. And then the 8 cubby, no, it's actually 16 cubbies. So yeah, that's I think 57 inches. So it's like 57 compared to 72 inches. Anyways, which ones do you guys think? This would be taken out. I would take this out and put it up in my spare room. It kind of goes with the theme up there. I got this at Walmart, and actually it you know, from putting stuff on top, the veneer came off. And I kind of sanded it down and threw some paint on it. And so far, so good. It's not in the best shape, but it is like kind of repurposed. And so this would go upstairs. I would have the doors and the drawers in it, and then maybe some open space. That unit there would actually go back underneath my craft desk where it was before. So I don't know. I'm just thinking what to do. Look, I have a lot of Easter stuff. Oh, you know what else I wanted to show you too? So let me just pan you over. I got some Happy Mail from Tammy at My World in OKC, and I got some Happy Mail from Diana H. And Diana, I am almost done. Actually, that envelope, I kind of hid it here behind me because your pocket letter's underneath it, but I got yours in progress, so I'll get that out pretty quick. Here's the journal I finished. Here's with the book, the corner protectors. Look how pretty that turned out. There is a whole series on this, start to finish. And I like it with the protectors. And then there's a charm. That's a pre-made from Michael's Charm. And so it's chunky too. Look how thick it is. I didn't think it was going to come out that thick, but anyways, let me know what you think. Should I go with the 16 cubby or the 25? I'll insert pictures. All right. Okay, so I think I might go with the large Kallax. I'm not sure, so I need to make my decision one of these days. But I did want to show you. So we went to Walmart. I showed you our wax owl there, and I was going to get the large clamshell of the rock candy, but I ended up getting the small one. This will be my first time trying it. I don't know. It kind of has maybe like a raspberry to it. So I did pick that up, and I got the Nutty Buddy cookie bars. And you know how I have that love affair with the caramel salted grams. And that smells a little bit like it. Maybe a little bit more chocolatey. Still, but I'm excited to give that a try. It smells like there's almost a synthetic scent to it, but it's cute. So those are the two I got at Walmart, and puppies are playing. But what are you guys doing this weekend? I know I need to get on YouTube and the computer over there and answer some comments. What happened, I got like the first couple videos done, and then I was like trying to like basically work on the journal, post it, get it all together to go up. I shouldn't have done it that way. I should have had everything ready first, but hey, it's done, it's up. And I'm glad because I really wanted to get that up there, that tutorial. So I'm like ready to go to bed. It's late, 9:30 or so. Just a long day running, and got my coffee. That's always good. I did stop into Michael's. All I got was, I don't even have it on me, it's in my purse, some of the ATG tape. It was how I had a 50% off coupon, and the guy, he always says my lady. So maybe you local ones, go to Michael's, you know what I'm talking about. He's a very pleasant man. And he said, well, that will be $5.29, my lady. And I said, I think I have exact change. So he gave me my coupon back. He goes, I don't know when it expires. I said, it's tomorrow. It's 50% off, regular price, one item. And he goes, well, come back tomorrow. And I'm like, Okay. No. Nah, I probably won't be back tomorrow, but I just stopped in to see what they had. I do have like a little collective haul I need to do, and I need to work on my pocket letter, and just, you know, this and that around the house. So anyways, let's do the money challenge. I think week 13, can you believe it? Whoa, almost lost my wax. Already in a couple, you know, months into this challenge. So we'll see what we got. We'll just take that one. What we got there? Whoa, $16. So it's a pretty big one, but not the biggest. $16, put that away, and I think I do have $16. So I hope you have a great weekend and you're having a good time and enjoying your Friday night. I don't think I showed you my pajamas, but I can show you those real quick. I'll put my thing over here. Because puppies get into everything in there. I have my gingerbread cookie pajamas on. And the puppies in the background. But anyways, take care. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll talk to you soon.